Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everybody. Today we will talk about this letter. D, 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 d. It has the sound d, d, d. And like this, da, da. Okay, da. So we have da in the beginning of the word. Okay, and this is da in the middle and in the end of the word. Pay attention, we don't connect da from the left side. Always it get connected with the other letters from the right side only. Okay, so the first one here, the first word is da. Start with it. Okay, da. Let's write it here like this. So I have da, and then we have fa, fa, and finally we have this na, da, fa, na, da, fa, na. You will find the meaning in the video description. Okay, just let's focus on how to read and write in Arabic. So dafana, dafana. Okay, let's move to another verb. So we have now this one. Start with this. Saw, saw, and pay attention. This sound doesn't exist in English. So saw, it's like strong sa. Okay, it's like the sound of s in the word sun. I was about to say sun. Okay, you know when you say sun. Okay, but it's even stronger. So imagine if I put saw in the beginning, so it will be sun, sun, sun. Okay, but as I said, this sound doesn't exist in English, so it is saw, saw. Okay, let's remove it, and I will just write it like this, but it is not sa, it is saw. Okay, and the second letter here we have is da. So, but it is in the middle of the word, so it is saw, da, saw, da, and finally we have this I saw, and the sound is not a, it is I. You get it from your deep throat. If you can't pronounce it, so you can say it is like a, as most of foreigners. So you can say so da a. If you said so da, it's okay, but try to really get the sound, the correct sound of any letter, because as you are interested in Arabic, so it's really good and cool to learn how to pronounce all letters. Okay, so sa da a, sa da a, cracked. Okay, oh my god, I will let I don't want to explain the meaning of the letters, as I said, sorry, of the verbs. I will let everything in the video description. Sa, don't focus on the meaning now with me. Sa da a, sa da a, صدع, صدع. Okay, let's move to another word. And as you, oh my god, I forgot to show you this to call your attention. I will write it again with one color. So it is صدع. Pay attention, we don't connect da from the left side to a, so I don't write it like this. There is no connection. This is wrong. It is صدع. Here I must let a space between da and a. Just we connect da from the right side. Let's move to another one. So the last one we have is qa, qa, qa. It's a strong ka, it's not ka, it's qa, 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 qa. And then we have this one. I have already explained in the previous words. And finally we have this one in the end. So it is da. قاعدة. قعد قعد قعد. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.